All right, guys, I want to talk a little bit about blood flow restriction training. I know it's a hot topic. A lot of people look at people training with bands on their arms and they just think it's crazy, musclehead, bro science. There's actually a lot of science that goes into blood flow restriction. And basically what's happening is when you look at the cardiovascular system, you have arteries and you have veins. Arteries are carrying oxygenated blood to the muscles, veins are carrying deoxygenated blood back to the heart. So the idea, we restrict above the muscle that we're using so we can get blood from the arteries that's oxygenated to the muscles, and that venous blood cannot flow back to the heart. And it's gonna pool there, it's gonna cause this acidic environment, and that right there is gonna be one of the factors for muscle growth. Studies have also shown that this type of training can provide a benefit in strength training, meaning you don't need to train as heavy, so it's not gonna be as hard on your joints, and get the same strength benefits from that. Here at Fitness Culture, we like to train biceps and triceps, doing some blood flow restriction. We don't do it all the time, but it's a great tool to really, you'll get an insane pump, and it's a deep, deep burn because there's a lot of lactic acid building up. So basically here we're gonna strap up to restrict, but not to totally cut off. From there, I'm gonna pick a weight that I can do 20 times. I'm gonna do 15 reps, take a 10-second break, 10 reps, 10-second break, 10 reps, 10-second break, and then 10 reps as well. So you're gonna be doing a set of 15 and then 3 at 10.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14,
15. I'm not gonna take the bands off or the cuffs off for this. I got 10 seconds here. You're gonna start feeling more vascular. You're gonna notice a little by little the lactic acid buildup. Full range of motion as always on these, and get a nice squeeze. 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
That's 2 sets down. We got 2 more to go. 10 seconds here. Really starting to feel the burn.
3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
The pain's real right now. Got one more set here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And now for my favorite part, taking off the bands and letting all that blood rush out of your arms. That's how we do blood flow restriction here. You can also do it for your legs. You guys will do a video like that in the future on how to use BFR training for your legs. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out Fitness Culture and subscribe so you can get that training program.